So welcome back to Quickpixel, and today we are making a dripping photo effect for this video, so let's get into it. Alright, so first of all I need to create a canvas that is 1920 and 1080p. So I'll just create it. So I'm gonna import my image, and if you like to use the one I'm using, the link will be in the description, so you can use that as well. Now I already have removed the background of this image, and if you like to know how to remove the background, I will link down 2 of my videos in the description. And if you like, you can use a free background removal software called remove.bg. So click on this layer mask icon and click on this layer mask thumbnail. Now press Ctrl and I on your keyboard, that will hide this image. So now you have to open the image of the brush. So if you want to use this one, the link will be in the description as well, so you can download it and use it as well. So once you open it, just go to edit and define brush preset. Hit OK. So as you can see, we got ourselves a brush and we're gonna use it here. So now make sure to set white color on your foreground color and reduce the size like that. So once you're satisfied, and just click once. Now reduce the brush size and paint over here as well. So I think this is fine. Now we are gonna add the background. So click on this background layer and choose this adjustment icon and go to gradient. Click on this gradient bar and choose this one. Now double click on this slider and choose a pink color. Something like this will do. So just hit OK once you're done and set the style to radial. Make sure to take this reverse option and increase the scalings like that. Now if you like, you can paint behind the character as well. So make a new layer and maybe take a blue color like this one and just tap once. Right click and maybe change the directions like that. Tap once again. Right click, change the directions again and paint. Reduce the size and just click again. And maybe take a purple color this time and increase the size. Change the directions and just click once. Maybe choose a darker pink like this one. Increase the size and just paint over it. That was it for the video. If you like to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and see you in the next one.